Welcome back to Ocean Updates from the Open Ocean Pod. Today's episode is on ocean cleanup technology. Let's dive in. Where does ocean pollution come from in the first place? It comes from both land and ocean activities. Around 80% of marine pollution originates on land, carried into the sea by rivers, wind, and runoff. Single-use plastics, packaging waste, and synthetic fibers make up the majority, with plastic accounting for about 85% of all marine debris. But the remaining share is far from harmless. Commercial fishing vessels, cargo ships, and offshore operations contribute enormous amounts of pollution, particularly in the form of abandoned fishing nets, lines, and traps known as ghost gear. In the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, ghost gear alone makes up about 46% of plastic mass. These heavy, durable plastics can trap and kill marine animals for years, while smaller debris fragments into microplastics, now found everywhere from the deepest trenches to seafood on our plates. Ocean cleanup and the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is an area twice the size of Texas, swirling with millions of tons of plastic. The Ocean Cleanup Project has been on this mission for years, but in 2025 they've supercharged operations with artificial intelligence. High-resolution cameras and floating sensors now feed real-time data into AI models that can predict where debris will drift next. Cleanup crews can deploy massive booms strategically intercepting plastic before it escapes into the deep. Think of this as a game of chess with the ocean's currents, only here the opponent is pollution itself. Across the globe, in the Netherlands, the Great Bubble Barrier is proving that sometimes the smartest ideas are the simplest. A perforated tube laid along the riverbed releases a curtain of air bubbles. The gentle stream guides plastic waste to the surface and into collection points without disturbing fish, boats, or wildlife. It's non-invasive, runs 24/7, and stops waste before it even reaches the ocean. It's a reminder that solving big problems doesn't always require giant machines, sometimes just a clever use of physics. Next up, we have Gilbert, a robotic fish prototype on a mission. Gilbert swims through harbours and coastal waters, gulping up small plastics and filtering out microplastics invisible to the naked eye. Sensors inside Gilbert also map pollution hotspots, sending scientists valuable data. But ocean cleanup isn't just the job of specialized teams. In 2025, everyday boats are part of the solution. Fishing crews, tour operators, even cargo ships are now fitted with compact mesh capture systems. As they go about their regular routes, they snag floating debris alongside their usual hauls. On-board apps log each collection, photos, GPS coordinates, and even plastic type, and upload it to global pollution maps. It's crowdsourced cleanup powered by thousands of hands around the world. From massive booms in the Pacific to humble bubbles in Dutch rivers, these technologies share a single purpose: a cleaner, healthier ocean for future generations. The scale of the problem is huge, but 2025 is proving something important. When science, creativity, and determination work together, we can turn the tide. This isn't just cleanup. It's the start of a new relationship with our oceans, and one where we can protect it as fiercely as we can explore it. There is massive potential in developing AI-driven, technology-based solutions for ocean health. With about $300 billion in the global seafood industry and about 80% of the world's cargo being transported by the ocean, there is so much incentive for investment in this industry. Living more sustainably doesn't have to come with trade-offs. It's a simple question, really. Would you rather have an ocean full of plastic and void of life, or a thriving ocean, healthy for generations to come? The rise of technology has allowed everything to run faster, better, and more efficiently. So in a world where production is booming, reduction seems counterintuitive. So I'm not going to tell you to throw away your plastic water bottles or stop buying from fast fashion companies. I'm just going to show you that there are better ways to use our technology for a sustainable future. This has been your Ocean Update from the Open Ocean Pod. If you liked today's episode, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for future topics, leave a comment down below. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you next time.